Introducing the Rapid Fill Void Fill Automated Packaging System from Sealed Air. A breakthrough innovation that speeds up the packaging process, reduces operator involvement, minimizes packing material, and reduces package cube and weight. All while keeping products secure and snug with just the right amount of air-filled cushioning. Here's how it works. As the carton enters the packaging area, the operator simply takes a rapid fill bag and clips it onto the corner of the carton, folds the carton flaps, and then advances the package into the rapid fill system. In a matter of seconds, the rapid fill system tapes the carton and inflates the cushion with the precise amount of air to fill the void and secure the pack. Sensors automatically detect and stop the airflow when there is enough pressure to hold the product securely in place. That's it! Your product is packed and sealed, ready to ship. No messy peanuts or paper. No guesstimating the amount of material needed to fill the void. And no more crushed boxes or product shifting due to underfilling. The Rapid Fill system easily keeps pace with the most demanding packaging environment, handling up to 10 boxes per minute. The Rapid Fill bag expands up to 99% of its original volume, reducing bulky storage of online packing materials. Sealed Air's Rapid Fill system offers multiple bag sizes to match the needs of fluctuating carton dimensions and amount of void fill required. And since the system senses when the bag has reached optimum inflation, each package receives the best protection, no matter what the size, shape, or contents. Rapid Fill bags are tough, made of a polyethylene blend developed to stand up to the bumps, drops, and rough handling that can happen during shipping. Your package arrives looking neat and clean, creating a positive impression with customers. The Rapid Fill system supports Sealed Air's commitment to reducing packaging materials in the waste stream. The air-filled cushion can be reused or recycled by returning it to Sealed Air according to the recycling instructions on every bag. The Rapid Fill automated system will dramatically increase the productivity of your packaging operations and boost customer satisfaction. Our Sealed Air Systems representatives are ready to work closely with you to provide a full economic analysis showing the improvement to your bottom line.